In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for bike routes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find bike-friendly directions and choose the route that fits your ride. First, open Google Maps. You can use the app on your phone or the website in a browser. If you're on a computer, head to the Google Maps site. On a phone, just tap the Maps icon. Give the map a second to load. If it asks to use your location, that simply helps it place you on the map for quicker directions. Next, click or tap Directions. This opens the Directions panel, usually on the left on desktop or at the bottom on mobile. You'll see two fields, one for your starting point and one for your destination. Now, enter your starting point and destination. You can type a full address, a place name like a park or cafe, or even a neighborhood. If you're starting from where you are, you can use your current location. As you type, Google Maps suggests matches. Pick the one that looks right. Make sure both fields have the correct places and double-check spelling if the results look off. With your points set, select the bicycle option. Look for the bicycle icon among the travel modes that usually include car, transit, walking, ride-hailing, and cycling. Tap or click the bike icon to tell Maps you want bike-friendly directions. This is important because it prioritizes bike paths, lanes, and quieter streets rather than major car routes. After selecting the bike mode, view the available bike routes. Google Maps will generate one or more suggested routes with estimated travel times and distance. On the map, you'll often see green lines that indicate bike infrastructure. Solid green typically means a dedicated path or lane, and lighter or dashed lines often indicate bike-friendly roads or shared paths. You can zoom in to inspect turns, check for parks or riverside trails, and get a sense of the environments you'll ride through. If elevation details are shown in your area, they can help you anticipate hills. Finally, select a recommended route. Pick the option that best matches your comfort level and timing. Some routes may be a little longer, but use more protected paths. Others might be faster, but use busier streets. Tap or click the route you prefer to highlight it and review the step-by-step turn list so you know what to expect at key intersections. That's it. Open Maps, get directions, choose the bike mode, review the options, and pick the route that suits your ride. Enjoy the journey and stay safe out there.